Hello, and welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Have you ever wondered how you can order a custom pair of sneakers or a car with very specific features and have it delivered in record time? The secret isn't magic. It's a revolution happening right now on factory floors around the world. We're moving away from the old, rigid production lines of the past and stepping into the era of modular automation. It's about building the factories of the future, today. So what is this seismic shift, and why should you care? Let's break it down. At its core, this shift is about survival and smart economics. In today's market, adaptability is everything. Traditional factories required massive upfront investments. You had to build the whole giant thing at once. But modular automation works on a pay-as-you-grow model. You can start with a few modules and add more as your business expands. This dramatically lowers the cost to get started. And it's not just about starting up. Companies using these systems have reported a 35% reduction in production downtime. Because if one small part, one module needs a fix, the rest of the line can keep on humming. Plus, consumers like us want everything personalized. Modular systems are built for this. They can switch from making one product to another with incredible speed, sometimes reducing changeover times by over 32%. This agility is a massive competitive advantage. And with a global shortage of skilled labor, automation is stepping in to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for more creative and complex problem-solving roles. It's no wonder the modular automation market, valued at $19.5 billion in 2024, is projected to more than double to $42.5 billion by 2032. So how does it actually work? The easiest way to think about it is the Lego principle. Instead of one giant, unchangeable machine, a factory is built from smaller, standardized, interchangeable blocks. Each block, or module, is a self-contained unit that does one specific job. And thanks to standards like the Module Type Package, or MTP, you can be sure that a module from one company will seamlessly connect with a module from another, just like plugging in a USB device. This is what we call plug and produce. It also makes scaling up a breeze. Instead of building a bigger factory, you just add more identical modules, a concept called numbering up. But the real genius is decentralization. In old factories, one central computer controlled everything. If it went down, the whole factory stopped. In a modular system, each module has its own little brain, its own controller. It gets general orders from a central system, but manages its own tasks. This makes the whole operation more resilient, leaner, and way easier to manage. This is where it gets really sci-fi. Modern modular systems are supercharged with technology. Artificial intelligence acts as the master brain, optimizing everything from energy use to production schedules. I can even predict when a module might fail and schedule maintenance before it breaks. We also see advanced robotics, including cobots or collaborative robots, that are designed to work safely right alongside people. And soon, we might even see humanoid robots handling complex assembly tasks. All of this is connected by the Internet of Things, or IoT. A web of tiny sensors in each module collects real-time data on everything, feeding it back to a central platform so managers can see exactly what's happening and make smart, data-driven decisions. Now, it's not all a walk in the park. Shifting to modular automation has its hurdles. The initial investment can still be significant, even if it's scalable. And integrating these new, smart modules with older, existing factory equipment can be a complex puzzle. It also requires a lot more upfront planning. You have to think through every connection and workflow before you even start building. But perhaps the biggest challenge is the human one. This new way of manufacturing requires new skills. Companies have to invest in training their workforce to manage, maintain, and work with these advanced AI and robotic systems. So what does the future hold? The trend is pointing towards something called microfactories. These are small-scale, super-automated modular facilities that can be set up closer to customers, reducing shipping costs and making personalization even faster. The partnership between humans and machines will only get deeper, with robots acting as partners to empower the human workforce, not replace it. Ultimately, the move to modular automation is more than just a tech upgrade. It's a strategic necessity for any company that wants to be resilient, innovative, and competitive in the 21st century. It's about building a manufacturing world that's as dynamic and intelligent as the markets it serves. The future isn't just coming, it's being built, one module at a time. Thanks for listening to G Fun Facts Online.